Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be some happy mail unboxing. So I got some surprise mail from Veronica. She's Buzzing with V on Instagram. I'm gonna have her link down below. Go check her out. As you can see, she is a crafty one. So she reached out to me and said she wanted to send me some happy mail, just in a little gift, just something nice, you know, because that's how this community is, you guys. Super amazing. She just wanted to do something nice. She sent me a super sweet card, and Veronica, if you're watching, that card was so sweet. I appreciate you so much. I love it when you guys tell me that you get super inspired by my work, that you are fangirling me. I think that is so cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, whenever you leave me that comment, I wish that my wife was here and she can tell you guys, I think that is the cutest thing ever, because to me it's just like, what, who am I? And I love it. I love it. You guys fill my heart with so much love because you're so sweet and so kind, and I get all your messages, and this is why I try to reply to all your messages and I answer back all your questions, because you guys deserve that. And it just makes my day as much as it makes yours when I put a video up or when I answer your comments. It's a two-way street here, you guys. I feel the same way. You guys get excited when you message me and I talk back, and I get excited when you guys talk to me. So it's like two ways, guys. So let's get into this yummy box. I might have to stop halfway because I need to take pictures. I didn't take any, but it's already looking extremely delicious. Look at this. You guys, let me show you how she decorated each panel. It says Lily. Then we have this one right here. She used the carousel by Maggie Holmes. She decorated this side. Wait, it says so sweet. And then this side. Love it. All right, you guys, look at this. Oh my gosh. So I already told you she sent me a cute little card with a little message, which I already read. Let's put this crinkle paper all over my desk. You guys know that I love to show my stuff with crinkle paper everywhere. So I'm gonna take all the packages out. Look at this. She wrapped everything up. You guys are amazing. I don't know why you would ever worry to send me some happy mail, because you guys are just as talented as I am. You really are. You guys don't give yourselves enough credit. Ooh, this is heavy. Look at the way she packaged that. So we're gonna sprinkle it because there's gonna be a picture on my Instagram. So go check that out. Oh, how cute. She put a little lip balm here. I love me some chapstick. Okay, let's see. Oh, look how pretty. All right, there's this one. And then she sent me a binder, because she said she was going to make me some binder mail, but she had seen a little sneak peek on my Instagram picture. So she decided to send me stuff to make binder mail, which I think is so creative. And I cannot wait to see. Look at that. Girl, there's so many pretties. And then, oh, there's one more. If you guys watch my videos, when I'm unboxing, I always forget something, and then I have to do like a little second part because I always do that. And then in the box, she put a bunch of little gold balls, which I love these. So definitely saving that. And we're going to put the box over here. And I am going to take a picture. So you guys, I'll be right back. So I was jabbering at the mouth, not realizing that I wasn't filming, and talking for like 5 minutes, you guys. Unbelievable. So I opened two of the packages. I opened this one that is so cute with the little ephemera pieces, and she sent me these cute little, I think they're handmade, little charms. Look, you guys, how cute are these? And I love that she sent me multiples because I can share them with in some happy mail. Thank you so much, girly. I love them, and you guys already know these are my colors. So thank you for that. And look, how pretty is this little memory desk card she sent me? She had posted this on Instagram, and I commented, And she sent it to me. So pretty. Look at all the little details. The eyelash trim, the little shaker in the back. I love it. Has a cute little tag right here. I will be putting this in my spinner along with all my other cards from you guys, because you guys totally hooked me up about 2 years ago on my birthday, and I have so many. And then I opened up this package. No, this is the one that had the memory decks card. Oh my gosh, I'm so mad that I can't believe I was just talking and I wasn't even filming. Okay, so there was this little box, and in this box she put me this cute little charm set. Look at this. This is such a cute little dangle. So what she said is that she wanted to send me some binder mail, but then she had seen a sneak peek on my Instagram that I had like some binder mail. So what she did was send me stuff to make some more binder mail. So she sent me the binder. It has a bunch of little stars. I'm going to leave those in there. She also sent me some clips, which I love the colors. Look at this. Girl, you guys know me all too well. Always sending me stuff with the colors that I love. Look at that. She sent me a bunch of those little hearts in mint green and in pink. I think she made these. Did you make these, girl? If you're watching my video, let me know. Then there's this one. Look how cute the packaging is. I love this wrapping paper. Let's cut through this one. Let me keep making sure that I'm filming because I cannot believe that happened to me. What do we have here? Oh my gosh, she sent me the Ray Dunn. I seen this at TJ Maxx. Oh look, even the pen, it says brainstorm. Can you guys see that? And the notebook says thoughts. I don't have this. Oh, thank you, V. That's so nice of you. Look at that. This is going in my purse. Ooh, I love it. Love it. Now, I wanted to see what this is, which came inside this bag. That's what I was saying when I realized that I wasn't even filming. It's pretty heavy. So let's see what we got here. There's bubble wrap on it. When you guys send me mail, it always feels like Christmas. Maybe a candle? Is this a candle? A Ray Dunn candle? I don't have this either. Oh my gosh, you guys are the best. I swear you guys are the best. Look at this. It says candle. Oh, I don't know if I could burn this. I don't know. Are you guys like that? Like you don't want to waste your stuff? Look how pretty. And it says scented candle sugar blush. It smells so nice, like very light and delicate. Look at that. Girl, you spoiled me. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I'm hugging my candle. So cute. I love it. You guys have given me the best week, I think, in a very long time that I've had. My gosh. You guys are amazing. She sent me some confetti in mint green and in peach, and thank you, because I had these and I ran out of them. And I was thinking about making a new mix, and now I can use these. Thank you so much for those, girly, because you didn't even know that. Oops, watch my candle. Let's put you right here. Then there's this one, and we're gonna open it up. Ooh, I think these are goodie bags. Treat bags. I love treat bags. Look at these. I don't have any of these either. I have a lot of pink, but I don't have this blue. These are super pretty with the stripes and the hearts. Two of my favorite patterns. And polka dots. I am a definite polka dot girl. So we're going to open up this one. I'm trying to do this before my wife gets home because for some reason I cannot film when that woman is here. Let me see. Ooh, I got some gold bows. You can never have enough bows. And I have a bunch of the other ones, but I don't have a bunch of these. So thank you for that. Look at the packaging. Oh, this is so fun. Look at this one with one of those little tree bags, which I can save. She sent me a bunch of little wood veneers. She told me that on the card. Look at this. I don't have anything like this. These are pretty and you can paint them. Thank you, girly. And of course, I showed you guys she sent me a Burt's Bee. I love me some Burt's Bee. Then we have this little one right here. Let's see what we have in here. I'm gonna save all these little stars. That's perfect for like a cute little mix. Ooh, what is this? Planner accessories. Oh, I think it's like a little clip. How cute is that? I like that. Let me see. Oh, it's kind of like that magnetic. Oh, that's cute. I don't have anything like that either. Thank you. Okay, which one is this one? Right? I think I have 2 left. Am I right? I'm trying not to forget one because I really don't want to have to add so many parts to these videos. So I have these 2 left. We're going to open this one up. Hopefully without cutting a cute little decor she put there. I totally chipped my nail. I need to get the gel nail polish because these chip too fast. Okay, let's open up this one. Oh, it's a cute little owl. A little wood. It's like a little wood veneer with glitter. You guys see the glitter? And you see my chip nail? Look how cute. Thank you. Oh, I'm going to have fun making some binder mail with all these goodies. And then the last one is this one. And look at how cute she decorated the bag. And in here, oh, is this a key? Oh, you guys, look how cute this is. Oh, this is going on my keys right after I finish this video because this is too adorable. I love it. So cute. And it's like squishy. Oh, this is adorable. Thank you. Oh my gosh, Vish. You did not have to do all this. Thank you so much. This was a beautiful surprise during a wonderful week for me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I will be messaging you after this. And yeah, you guys, go check out V. Go send her some love. Hit her that follow and tell her that I sent you. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.